Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shishma Sarala, consultant homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. So what are the signs and symptoms of warts? Remember, signs and symptoms of warts can be divided into two parts. First is the common signs and symptoms. Second is alarming signs and symptoms. So what are the common signs and symptoms of warts? First thing, small, fleshy, grainy bumps on fingers or on hands. If you can see this picture, you can see these small bumpy nature where you can if you feel it, it is very thick in nature and also grainy when you touch it. And if you look closely, you will see small black dots. Those are dead blood capillaries or dead blood vessels. You can say capillaries because only a thin part or the smaller capillaries get stuck in near the warts and they become dead. Small flesh grainy bumps, feeling rough to touch, and sprinkling of black dots because of clotted blood vessels. So what are the alarming signs? So these are the common signs. When should you be worried about these warts? Primary thing, if the warts hurt, bleed or burn or itch, that means if you're having a wart on your hand or on your face or on your neck or on the genital region or inside of your buccal cavity, when they start to bleed, when you touch them or when you feel them, they start to bleed. They start to itch very severely and they start to burn. They have a burning sensation in and around the wart. That is an alarming sign. Next, persistent warts with spread. That means when you start developing one wart, they severely and rapidly spread through that area. And not only that, if that one wart which is in one hand is starting to appear, or different kinds of warts are starting to appear on the other hand, the spreadability or how far it is spreading and how fast it is spreading is also an alarming factor. And growth are bothersome or interfere with activities. For example, if you are having warts on the soles of your palms, and whenever you're touching something, doing something, they are very painful, they're starting to bleed, they're starting to itch, then that is a bothersome sign. If you're having many warts and you're unsure whether the growths are warts, that is, if you're having certain growths on your hands, your face or your body, anywhere on your body, and they seem like warts but you're not sure if they are warts or not, they can be cancerous growths as well. So to determine if it is a wart or a non-wart, you have to consult a doctor. If you have weak immune system, especially people who are under immunosuppressants or people who are suffering from HIV, that is AIDS, can also be prone to warts. Let us now talk about the consultation part here at Fidicus Homeopathy. As if you're suffering from warts and you want to cure your warts, or you have different kinds of warts and you don't know what kind of wart it is, or it is spreading rapidly and you want to cure for it, here at Fidicus we have two consultation options. First one is the online consultation. Second one is the offline consultation. If you are staying nearby us, you can come and visit us in person. If you are staying far away from the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can visit us online. That is audio consultation and through video consultation. You can consult us and we will check your investigations and we will let you know if you want any more investigations. After doctor consultation, if you want medications, the medications will be delivered to you through home delivery directly to your doorstep. So if you're staying in India, it might take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days for the medicines to reach you. If you're staying anywhere else, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medication to reach your doorstep. If you want to choose homeopathy, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. If you want to choose us and you would like to get in touch with us, you can contact with this number either through WhatsApp, through call, or you can ping us a message and our staff will get back to you. If you're suffering from warts and you want to cure it, then why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? First thing, Fidicus stands is for its highest chances of health, and we proudly follow 3 principles. First is our highest success rate. People who are already suffering from warts have come to our clinic and have got good results. Second thing is a transparent treatment. If you're having any sort of doubts, we will let you know about your prognosis. There will be no gray area between the patient and the doctor. The personal care here at Fidicus is top-notch. Any sort of doubts, any sort of queries, all your myths will be busted after talking to the doctor. So if you want to choose homeopathy, choose it right. Choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.
Fidicus Homeopathy.